Are you an absolute beginner with no idea what fabric you should be picking for your sewing projects? Don't worry, we've all been there. But in this video, you're going to learn the 3 exact fabrics you should be using to make your sewing project absolutely beautiful and easy to sew. Hi, my name's Abby and I help absolute beginners start making clothes they love. And this video is actually part of a free event I put together called the Fabric Shopping Bootcamp. It's a place for you to get all of your fabric questions answered all in one place. And if you join the official event, you actually get a chance to win over $500 in sewing prizes. So if you'd like to learn more about the event, the link is in the description. Again, it's totally free. Now let's head over to Friedlies, an absolutely amazing pattern brand who's going to show you which fabrics to pick to make your projects easier to make and set you up for success every time.
Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Fabiana and I'm actually part of the Friedlies scene. Maybe you've heard of Friedlies, maybe you haven't, but we're a digital sewing pattern brand and we're best known for our feminine and romantic designs. We really focus on producing patterns that you will actually want to wear. If you look at our designs, you'll find pieces that are timeless, feminine, and thoughtfully made. And every single one of our patterns actually comes with a step-by-step tutorial and a video tutorial, so there's no guessing here. You can just watch the video along with the booklet and you'll get the perfect garment. We have beginner-friendly patterns and a little bit more advanced patterns, so if you're a beginner or a more advanced sewist, our brand is for you. Okay, so moving on to the actual video, today we're going to be talking about the perfect beginner-friendly fabrics. I'm a sucker for easy to sew fabrics because honestly that makes the experience so much nicer. There's nothing more horrible than getting to sew and the fabric just won't cooperate and everything is a mess. So I really recommend, especially if you're a beginner, to look for easy to sew fabrics. Here I'm going to be sharing with you some of our favorites and they're actually really easy to find, so you'll have no problem finding fabrics like this. So the first one, you've probably heard of it, and it's linen. Even though 100% linen is more on the expensive side, there's linen blends you can find that are much cheaper and they're still really easy to sew. Linen is a non-stretch fabric, which is amazing. When you're looking for a beginner-friendly fabric, you shouldn't look for something that has stretch, but on the contrary, something that's really rigid, and that doesn't mean it's not flowy, but it means it just won't stretch. You can just grab your fabric and see it won't stretch anywhere. And that's the best type of fabric for beginners. So linen is actually one of these fabrics. It's really easy to sew. It's made in a way that when you're sewing, the needle goes right in the fabric and it doesn't get stuck. Some other fabrics are more difficult to sew because you'll notice the needle won't go through the fabric as you're sewing as easily as other fabrics do. My favorite part about linen is that you can actually press the fabric with your fingers. It's really easy to manage because it just folds like paper. You just fold it and you'll notice it's like it's being pressed. So it's really easy for when you're doing hems. You don't have to move over to the ironing board to actually press it. And that obviously makes it so much easier to press. There's polyester fabrics that are so difficult to press. It's so annoying. You can find yourself using your iron 100 times over the same spot and the fabric just won't press and won't fold. But linen is so much easier. It actually stands a lot of heat, which is great for beginners because we don't want any melted fabric. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly pattern that is necessarily not a garment, but maybe a bag, we have the perfect pattern for you. It's called Camille, and for this bag, we actually used linen as well. It makes it so much easier to sew, and it's really quick to sew, yet it has this beautiful design. The fun thing about this pattern and this fabrics is that you can mix and match to make your own design. It makes it unique. For example, for this bag, I used a black fabric for the lining part and the straps. I love this bag because it has the cutest bow on the shoulder. And for the outer part, I used a beige colored linen fabric. Next, we have rayon. Rayon is actually one of my favorite fabrics because you can wear it as good as a cotton fabric, so it's really comfy and breathable, but it feels as soft as silk on the skin. Rayon is actually a semi-synthetic fabric, so it has those characteristics of maybe a cotton fabric and a polyester fabric. That's why you have to use a lower ironing setting on your iron, but it doesn't mean it'll burn or melt like some other fabrics. I find it really easy to work with because it's non-stretch as well. It's a little bit flowier, and I think it's perfect for really comfy fabrics. Maybe if you want to use elastic on some fabrics, it's perfect. And it's really easy to press as well. You can just use your iron a couple of times and you'll notice it leaves a crisp finish. That's why I love it as well. I would recommend using this fabric for garments, maybe dresses, flowy skirts. We used it for one of our favorite patterns we've made, and it's called Juliet. It's this beautiful, easy to make, really simple maxi dress, and it has an open back and these beautiful layers on the skirt of the dress, so you can make it really quickly and it's easy to understand. It's a pattern that's easy to work with, and if you combine that pattern with rayon, you'll get a beautiful result. When you're sewing this pattern, you actually learn how to attach elastic to a garment, which is also why I recommend this pattern for beginners. And you'll probably be able to find rayon everywhere. There's a lot of rayon options that have beautiful prints, so I recommend trying some of them. There's also poplin fabric. I think this is the OG beginner-friendly fabric because it's a type of cotton fabric. It's not as thin, so it has a little bit more structure to it. It's perfect for shirts, for example, because it gives that crisp finish. But I actually think you can make tons of things with poplin. Most of our patterns work with this type of fabric, but I especially recommend making Aurora with it. This dress is amazing. You learn how to attach an invisible zipper and you're left with this gorgeous drop waist dress. Many of our customers actually love this pattern. They keep coming back to it because it's just so versatile. You can use it every day. It has a midi version, so if you want it longer, you can do it that way, and you can elongate it to make a maxi version as well. Poplin is actually known for its breathability and durability, so you won't ruin this fabric, I promise. That's something you actually have to be really careful with because sometimes we want to be buying more expensive fabrics. Poplin is a little bit on the less expensive side, so that's a plus as well. And it doesn't matter if you ruin it because for beginners, you'll notice that some of our first projects won't be the best. And that's why it's better to buy less expensive fabrics. And you'll notice that the most expensive fabrics actually tend to ruin a little bit faster because they're more delicate. For example, a chiffon or silk fabric is really difficult to sew and it's more expensive to use. Poplin is a really fun option because there's tons of prints and you can have fun with the designs and the colors you choose. So I highly recommend if you want to do a more fun, colorful design. So if you want to make really cute summer dresses or maybe skirts, poplin is a great option because it won't make you sweat as crazy. I really hope this video was helpful for you. These are some fabrics I wish I would have known to use 6 years ago when I started sewing. So I really hope you use these tips and try using these fabrics because you'll notice the difference compared to more difficult type of fabrics. Remember that we have tons of patterns for you to choose from, and there's really good beginner-friendly patterns just as the ones I mentioned, Camille, Juliet, and Aurora, but we also have a lot more, and they all have video and step-by-step tutorials. So if you want to check us out and be the first ones to know about our special discounts and new drops, please go follow us. I'm sure you're going to love seeing all of our content. Thank you!
A huge thank you to Friedlies for making picking your fabric so easy and straightforward. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 fabrics are you going to use in your next sewing project? Let me know in the comments down below. They all will make absolutely beautiful beginner-friendly clothes. So, it doesn't matter which one you pick, all of them are the right answer. And don't forget, this video is part of an entire series designed to help you make more confident fabric buying decisions. And tomorrow's video is the 5 do's and 5 don'ts of buying fabric for beginners. So to make sure you don't miss anything, including that video, be sure to subscribe below and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as the new videos drop. And if you can't wait for more videos to come, then I am going to link the playlist for the entire bootcamp right here so you can binge watch everything. Okay, until the next video, happy sewing!